Alright guys, next weekend, the 11th of January, there'll be another event down here called Tough Laps. There'll be a car show up the top at Harvey Norman's. Just go to Tough Streeters for Sale Facebook. You'll find the instructions on where the track is, but you just go along Browns Plains Road. When you get to KFC, turn left to KFC, follow the road around all the way around to the roundabout where Bob Jane T-Mart is, turn left there, follow that all the way around to Domino's Pizzas. When you get to the roundabout at Domino's Pizzas, do a U-turn, come back up towards the post office, and then come down Eastern Road, this road where Super Butcher is and Coffee Club. Follow that all the way down to Weber Drive, and turn left at Weber Drive and head back up to Browns Plains Road. Now, if you've got a low car, not that I'm seeing anybody have problems, use the Australia Post car park, and you can use tent wheel car park. Alright, so no one seems to be having problems getting over speed humps, so we did read a lot of things saying that was going to be a problem, but this looks alright. Look at those soccer mum fucking Hiluxes. Alright, so where the coffee club is, that's Tough Street. So we've just named it Tough Street because that's where all the action's happening. I want to make it happen straight away. Oh, is that tough HR, lime green HR? It's pretty tough. pretty tough. KB's Customs. Oh shit. Bloody Sigma. God, you don't see many of them around. Station wagon as well. Bloody barras. They go alright. Don't know what that noise was. I think someone's got a slipping clutch. Josh. Tough Street's living up to its name. We're gonna have to get the name change. What's going on here? What a weapon! Ew! Clayton's are here. Here comes Clayton's. Tough Street's living up to its name. It's not Commerce Drive anymore, it's Tough Street. Another one for Tough Street. What do we got? There we go. Oh no. He tried. She was breaking down. rotor. Tough Statesman. Valiant. I think this is a turbo Valiant. This one. Yeah. So if you don't know, next Saturday night, the 11th of January, 6 o'clock, up the top, Harvey Norman's. You can park your car up there and put it on display, have a car show. Or if you just want to cruise around Browns Plains, you can do that. Just come to the Statesman. I just want to get this Statesman. So yeah, you just cruise down Browns Plains Road till you get to KFC, turn left, and just follow that road all the way around the Grand Plaza, all the way back to Domino's. And then come back up here past the post office, come down here. Alright, there's this nice Stato going up Tough Street. Smell that smell? Go Tough Street. Around for a long time. The army are rocked up. When are they going to bring a tank out tonight? Mick Brush has made an appearance in You Legal. Nice Monaro. Nice HQ. Well, that is nice. Nice VH. I think it's a HDT improved, I think they call them ones.